good. This will be the video that you use to know how to screenshot score report for your assignment turn in the Dropbox in your vClinical Canvas. You'll go log on, go to the dashboard, go to score report. This is the section you will need to take a screenshot of. You will not have as many sections on here as I do, so you will probably be able to get this all in one shot. If not, you'll start with the first section, take a screenshot of that, which will give you your time in, time out, hours logged, your score for each section, and your cumulative score for the assignment. Then after you get this screenshot, if it doesn't all fit in one, at the bottom of the screen, it gives you your cumulative hours in the program itself. And you will need, if you can't get it all in one shot, you'll need to take two. One of the upper section and one that includes the total cumulative hours. You can either do this by a screenshot on your computer, which will then probably be saved to pictures, and then screenshot folder, and then you can send it as a document. Or you can also take a picture of it with your cell phone. Just make sure you get all the information in the picture. If you guys have any questions about how to do a screenshot or what to include in the screenshot, refer to this video. If that doesn't work, you guys can contact me for questions. And all that information for contact will be on your instructions for the beginning of this course. Have a great day.